All right, challenge time. So let's do this. Create a Visualforce form which inserts a basic contact record. So this is pretty much the same as the example on this trail, but instead of an account record, we are doing the contact record. So the page must be named CreateContact. So I'm going to copy that and go to my playground, pop this up, go to my developer console, pop this up, make a new Visualforce page there, create contact. Okay, and of course standard controller, the engine would be contact, right? What else do they want us to do? It must have a Visualforce Apex form component, and then input field, first name, last name, email, and a command button, save. Okay. All right, let's go back on here. Apex form, boom, and then Apex input field there. Label is first name, value, label is first name, and the value here is curly bracket exclamation point contact dot first name. And I'm just gonna copy this whole thing and do the last name and email part. Last name, email, last name, email, and then do the command button. Command button, what is the action here? Action is save. Well, that's pretty much it. If I want to make it a little bit readable, I'm going to put some break there. Or you can do the whole page block thing if you want, you know. But I'm just going to make it simple for this challenge. So if I preview it, it's going to look like ugly like that, right? But that's fine. If I am going to use a contact here, contact, pass in a variable of James Bond here. Just pick on a contact to test it on your own Trailhead and get the record ID from there. And then you pass the ID here like usual, and ID equals record, and enter. We have James Bond. Well, James Bond doesn't have an email. Let's add an email for James Bond so we can be sure that it's working. Where is the email field here? It's not even listed here. Oh, here. James Bond. Okay, if I save James Bond there, we should see James Bond over here. Refresh James Bond. Oh, we don't even put the label there, which is ugly here. Label or value? Value, actually, not value. It's label. Yeah, it's value. Save that. If I refresh this guy, now we have a save button. James to Bond to james2@bond.com. I'm going to save that. And if I go back here on the actual James Bond record, it should say James2, because we just saved it, James2Bond2, and the email is james2@bond.com. So that is working as expected. So it looks a bit ugly, but you can style it. Why don't you style it with the page block and other stuff? Where is it? Here. You can style it for your own, but the challenge doesn't require us to style it. So I'm going to get my points, and I will see you on the next section, which is about using standard list controllers. So it's going to be listing a lot of records at once. This one is just listing one record at a time, right? If you're using a list, you can list a lot of contacts or a lot of accounts. Boom. I'll see you on the next video. Hit that subscribe button and explore new Trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.